Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert hexadecimal numbers into decimal step by step. Even if you are new to number systems, this method will make the conversion simple and easy to understand. Let's get started with hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Now let's convert the hexadecimal number 3FC into decimal. We write the place values for each digit starting from the right. The rightmost digit C is 12 is multiplied by 16 power 0. F is 15 multiplied by 16 to the power 1 and 3 is multiplied by 16 to the power 2. Multiply each digit by its power of 16. 3 times 16 squared is 768. 15 times 16 to the power 1 is 240. 12 times 16 to the power 0 is 12. Add the results together. 768, 240, 12. So, 3FC in hexadecimal is equal to 1020 in decimal. Thank you for watching.